Yo, YouTube, you already know what it do. It's your favorite boy on the freaking tube, Young Florida Boy. You did what I'm saying. Hey, so check me out. I didn't know what y'all boys seen that thumbnail and that title, and I'm about to show y'all how to turn these nasty yellow bottom shoes into these crisp, amazing Air Force Ones, the ones that we love the most, the ones that we can never get rid of. So without that being said, I'm about to show y'all right now.
What's up with y'all boys? So we're gonna have to start with a few materials. First off, we got our dish soap, our toothbrush, toothpaste, and bleach. Also, we got some baking soda just in case. And what we're gonna do right here is gonna put the baking soda inside the plate, shake it up, add a little bit of water to it as you see right now. And then after that, we're just gonna mix it with our hands as we see that I'm doing right now. And then once we're done mixing it up, we're gonna pour the bleach inside the sink with some water. Now, bleach is optional. I don't want to tell you guys to bleach the shoe completely, but you can go ahead at your own risk. Don't use too much bleach. That's why we diluted it with the water. And from there, we can just start scrubbing. So far, I used the baking soda with the water, and you just start doing it in a circular motion. You don't want to go back and forth. You want to do a circular motion. And I added a little bit of soap just to give that little, cleanness to it, the little sharp touch to it. Now, I'm going to be scrubbing. As you can see, it's like you're brushing your teeth. You're going in circles. You can go back and forth, but if you go back and forth too much, you tend to get it in the same spot and you tend to smudge it. Now, when you brush your teeth, you don't go back and forth. You do it in circular motion to get the plaque off. So it's kind of like the same thing. Over time, the shoe tends to get yellow because of it not being used. I don't know if you guys have the yellow bottom, but I'm just showing you guys how to get it off. So far, you see I'm going back and forth, but I'm gonna switch it up to the circular motion in a second. Like I said, circular motion is the best motion. So I'm gonna have to speed it up a little bit because I know you guys don't wanna watch it entirely. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed it up right now. So this is how the shoe looks so far after about 5 minutes of scrubbing. I got most of the side part out. This is how the other side looks. So that's why I said you can use bleach to speed up the process, but it all depends on how you want to clean your shoe, because at the end of the day, it is your shoe. But I'm just saying you can use a little bit of bleach. So here we go back to scrubbing. I'm not gonna lie, guys, it's not gonna happen overnight. I forgot to tell you guys that. So just make sure when you scrub, you make sure you do it thoroughly. That's why people tell you to brush your teeth for 2 minutes. You don't just brush your teeth for 30 seconds. I know y'all boys be brushing your teeth for 30 seconds. Don't even cap. Go ahead and put it in the comments. I know y'all boys be doing that. But yeah, I ain't gonna lie. This process took about at least 20 minutes. So if you want them clean Air Force Ones, I suggest you do what you gotta do, feel me? I had to clean my Air Force Ones. They was dirty. They was sitting there for a minute, and I was like, I might as well go ahead and show y'all how them Air Forces looking. I know I let the community down. Please don't roast me in the comments. My Air Forces was messed up, but I'm showing y'all how I'm cleaning them right now. So let's get back into it. Let's not forget, y'all boys, we gotta make sure the laces is clean. We can't have clean Air Force Ones without the laces. So let me show you guys how to do it. So basically, I didn't get it in the clip because my camera had died, but basically what you wanna do is you wanna get the baking soda, a little bit of bleach and water, and pour it inside, whatever you wanna use, and take the laces out and just shake them up. And then you wanna just keep shaking them. And then after that, you can put them in the sink, which was the bleach in the water. And you just cleanse it, just shake it up, twist it in the water, just let it soak in all the dirty toxins, and we can just go from there. It may take, it took me about like 3 minutes for them to get whitened. You could have them sit overnight if you really want to, if you want to have them pure cocaine type beats, but we don't got time for that. We got to use our sink for multiple things, feel me? So yeah. Go ahead and take them out after like 2-3 minutes. Just let them soak up, let them soak in the sun. Glad. But yeah, that's how they looking, nice and clean, feel me? All right, guys, believe it or not, this is like an hour in or an hour and 30. I can't remember, but it's been a long time. Anyways, so the shoe should start looking normal. It's not going to come out white, but for the most part, it should be clean. So I'm just going over it, just adding another layer of whiteness, you know, baking soda and bleach, just one more time, just to get that accurate measure, because we're not going to get it. We're not going to make it perfect, but we're going to make it close to perfect. Feel me? Ain't nothing perfect, but we're going to make it damn near close. Feel me? So now what you want to do is get you either alcohol wipe or whatever you got, something close to you, and go ahead and wipe it down, make it all shiny, make it look representable. Feel me? I can't even talk, but without further ado, here go the shoe.
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out?
So I tried the best that I can. Not all of it is gonna come out, but most of it will. So if you just follow the steps and you do what you gotta do, hey, you're gonna get the stains out. Now, there might be some people that might want to go and buy a different pair of shoes, but not everybody can buy a new pair of Air Force Ones. So, and also some may be out of stock as well. So, hey, I just saved you guys like a couple, $90 now. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and stay tuned for the next one.
Wait, who's over there knocking on my door? Sipping on walk hard in my cup, I just put a whole damn for her. Yeah, I see her up on the block.